Available to our CAD users, you can now drop down Create Points and select the brand new Points by Quadrant Bearing option. By selecting this command, you will be given access to the Quadrant Bearings form. Here you are able to set the code that will currently be used. In this case, I will change it to NS for natural surface. The elevation of the point, so let's change that to 100. The reference point, where you're able to manually enter a coordinate if you wish, or use this option here to select a COGO point that exists already. In this case, I don't have one pre-selected, so I'm just going to put in easting and northing of 1000 and 1000. You can then select the quadrant location you wish to work with. In this case, let's look at heading in the northeast direction at a bearing of 45 degrees, 12 minutes and 30 seconds for a distance of 7.5 meters. You can then change the style settings for the point that you wish to create. In this case, the default point style used, if it doesn't know the code that's being used, will be using default, and the code set that's currently being used is alpha codes. From here, I can run create point, and I can zoom to that point's location. You can see that the reference point updates with the brand new point location, and I can continue hitting create point to add in brand new points. I can change this at any time by simply deciding to choose that we're going to be working at 20 degrees for 12 minutes and 40 seconds. I can change the distance 5.5, and I can even change the quadrant bearing if I wish, changing it to southeast quadrant. I can then go and create points to update that as needed. This can be a very handy tool for entering points via the quadrant bearing.